So we've just arrived in country number 2.
And it's it's a surprise to us because it's not where we planned to be today.
We weren't supposed to be here, not yet anyway.
Yeah.
This was supposed to be stop number 3.
But thanks
thanks
to the new information that we found out this morning, even though we have European passports and therefore don't require a visa to go into Belarus, however, the difference is if you fly from Russia, that rule no longer applies. So our flight to Russia, we weren't able to board.
Yeah.
So instead we just had to switch our flight at the desk, and luckily got on a flight that was only leaving 15 minutes later and brought us straight here to Lithuania.
We're in Vilnius now, about to do a walking tour here in the city centre.
Literally means another side of the river. So when we're going to cross the river, we're going to get into Uzupis.
Jesus Christ was the first backpacker of the world. There he is, with his backpack on. Welcome to Vilnius. Achoo.
We've just walked to the top of Gediminas Castle. There's a lot of steps. Well worth the view though. Beautiful views over Vilnius. Have a look at this.
Such a quiet city. Back to town for coffee. Boom burger time.
We're here in Vilnius.
And it's
in
raining.
Lithuania. It's raining. No more snow. We said goodbye to the snow. And we're here on Independence Day. So there is a raising of the flag and a march as well, a carnival in Independence Square.
It's a huge
taking
day
the atmosphere.
for them, so they take it really seriously. It's a big thing.
It's a national holiday.
Understandably.
So, yeah, fighting for their independence for a long, long time.
Yeah,
so
we have it, and you can feel it here.
There's a real buzz of excitement in the air. So we're going to go and check it out. Happy Lithuanian Independence Day! We are holding the Lithuanian flag on Independence Day. There's 2 flags. The first one was literally at least 100 meters long. We were just walking back from the Lithuanian Independence Day march. Really, really nice and touching event. They raised the flags and some fighter jets flew over, which is quite spectacular. Then there was was a band and the march.
And then they carried this huge flag through the city. We joined in and carried the flag with them. We got chatting to this lady who happens to be a member of parliament here, and she told us that it's a really big deal here because she was only 11 the day that it'll happen, when they were free from the Soviet rule and got to be an independent country. And up until that point, nobody was allowed to leave the country or go abroad.
It was really touching. She was so sweet as well.
Her mother, who was 35 at the time, had never left the country, just kind of imprisoned in their own country and unable to have the freedom. So you could see just how much it meant to her, and it was a really good patriotic feeling amongst everyone today. And it was so recent.
Found this amazing vegetarian place called Soma Vegetarian Cafe, and we are here sat on the floor going to get ourselves some nice healthy vegetarian food.
Just thought I would show you the menu here at Soma. I'm actually going to go for the wrap with hummus and vegetables. They do some really good salads here as well. Really affordable. I'm definitely going to have to come back and try this. The vegetable and paneer spinach looks so good. Or maybe even the curry. Gonna get a smoothie as well. So I'm gonna get myself a new moon, and he's gonna copy. So yeah, really happy to find this place. Look how cute it is. So we found it by accident. We were actually looking for some Georgian food, and then I was just looking on Google Maps, and I was like, there's this place called Soma, and there's like yoga and stuff, and then I realised it was vegetarian, and I was like, hang on a minute. I need to go and check this place out.
This afternoon we're just doing our own little wander around Vilnius, and there's an area in the city called Uzupis. It's not under its own law or its own country or anything, but they built such a strong community that it's basically got its own kind of set of rules and things. Own little colony, yeah. And it's got a river that goes in a horseshoe shape all the way around it, so kind of giving it that feeling of separation. CDs hanging from the tree. There's a swing hanging from a bridge that you can go into the river and swing from. Loads of quirky things going on. It's really interesting. And here is the seat swing under the bridge. Kirsty's going to demonstrate it for us.
It's way too cold to get on that today. It's not going to be happening.
How much to get you on the swing?
No amount of money that's going to get me in there.
Completely recyclable and strawberry flavoured.
Hey everyone, it's our last day in Vilnius. We've had a walking city tour and we've had a few days looking around, so we've got to know the place quite well. Today it's quite wet, so we're looking for something indoorsy to do. So we are going to the Holocaust Museum. So we've just been to the Holocaust Museum. It's in quite a small building, but there is plenty in there to read about and get your teeth into. And there were extracts from Hitler's commanders, and it's amazing the level of detail they've actually gone into what they did back in that era between sort of 1941 and 1944.
We are now just walking around by the TV tower. We're going to get a new Yandex taxi to
Yandex
get us
taxi.
here.
It's
Yandex
much
taxi.
cheaper. Yeah, it's
so
about 40% cheaper.
So we just got that straight from the Holocaust Museum over to the TV tower, and we're going to go up here for some dinner and some views of the city.
Go to the 19th floor.
We're here at the top of the TV tower in Vilnius. We just paid €8 each to come all the way up here and see the views of Vilnius, and we're just sitting on the edge where we're revolving now, and unfortunately we don't have the sunniest of views. But take a look. Wow. Smooth.
I don't know if you can see that that's very slowly moving. So we just went up to the TV tower in Vilnius, just to have some sundowners basically.
Watch the sunset over the city. It was
and some
really
snacks.
nice.
Yeah, the rain finally cleared and we got to see the sunset.
Our first one
From
here.
up on the
19th floor.
Up on the 19th
Yeah.
floor. Now we're heading back into town to go and get some Georgian food.
More food.
And highly recommended.
We're about to try some Georgian food at last.
So this looks yummy.
Georgian food for the win.
Num num num.
Wait half an hour.
Bye to our little Vilnius food. On to the next place.
Bye, comfy bed. Where to now?
Down a lot of flights of stairs.